Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So before we'll start, make sure that you've got the internet connection, because obviously it is required to check for the software updates. And simply for checking, you can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. But to be honest, if you will decide to download the update, I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi, because you can avoid some additional charges because of your carrier agreement. So after making sure that you've got the internet, go to the settings. Let's go back. So here in the settings, we have to scroll down to find the system. Let's tap. And as you can see here, we've got the option called software updates. So let's tap on it. Then let's tap on System Update, and basically here you will be able to meet two different scenarios. Here I've got actually the third one where the system update is almost complete. I simply have to restart my device, but usually you will find either the information that everything looks alright and you do not have any kind of update pending, so that your device is up to date and there's nothing to download. And the second scenario is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install somewhere here and then apply the update. Of course, there is a third scenario which is shown right here. When my update is almost complete, all I have to do is to simply restart the device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.